Okay, started. Hello everyone. Alright, today is the last day on the, I think, the open beta, Path of Exile 2. I'm not sure if the game is still there. If it's not, the stream will end. Hopefully it will be still there, so let's check it out. It's coming. I'm not sure if this music, it says copyright free music. I found it on YouTube, and I'm not sure if it's like you know, it's I got like I'm not sure, but I'm going to stop it just to not to get into trouble. Okay, let's go. What happened? What is my stuff? Let's see. All right, I spent some time, a little bit of time offline. Oh, I see why I didn't have my stuff. On this now on Act 2, as you can see here. So I spent some time on grinding on ending Act 1 basically. So I killed the boss, and now I'm in Act 2. But on Act 1, there is one thing I didn't do actually, which is the temple. I missed the temple. So there's one last temple you can do on Act 2, on Act 1, sorry. And I think I missed that. Let me see the manor, this one, or which one? I think it's in here. So if I want to go in here, so I need to find like a waypoint or checkpoint somewhere in Act 1. So let's do that. Let's checkpoint, but I want let me help these guys. All right, let me help these guys quickly, and then waypoint. I need waypoint. So waypoint, I will go in map 2. For that, let me see if my stash, I can free some stuff from my stash. By the way, on YouTube Shorts, I kind of made the screen a little bit like more into the screen itself, because I notice you're missing a lot of details. I'll try to find a way to add more details. Now you can see that this like part of the screen is appearing on the YouTube Shorts, but not fully. But anyway, so let's do this. What the heck is this? I don't need this, because I'm gonna sell it. Let me just put this here. I'm keeping this with me because I will swap between the fire and the lightning. That's what I'm planning to do. And another thing I want to try here is, can I get this in a key point? No, apparently you can't get this in a key point, and it doesn't have any DPS. It doesn't add any DPS. This one we decide not to use, so it's sitting doing nothing there, as well as the fireball. So anyway, let me go, go to Act 1. Oh, there is someone here we have to talk to.
You are seeking passage on our caravan? We cannot travel anywhere at the moment. Hyenic raiders are harassing the trade route ahead. For the time being, we are stuck here.
It's dark. Okay, I think I can sell for the stuff I bought here to this lady. Let me see if I can do that. Yeah, I can sell for her. Okay, not bad. She's paying a lot of money. Better than Finn. Let's see what else I can sell. Okay, I don't want to sell anything else. Let me go to the Act 1 and try to clear that map again and get to the temple if I can. So he's going to Act 1, and this Ogam Manor. I want to go here. Yeah, I think in this map there is a temple there. Let's clear it quickly. Let's see. Later we can come to this waypoint and can just go to Act 2 later. I don't know where is the temple exactly, but we can find it somewhere. So we're just gonna... Okay, the map is already... How come this is clear? I didn't come here. Did I clear already this? Maybe, I don't know. I cleared the map early for sure, but usually when you come back to this map, it's still... Like you have to clear it again for some reason. Oh, still alive. Plus we get more loot, which I don't mind. No. I did... What? I did kill this guy. I already killed this guy. Maybe you can kill him again. I don't want to kill him again. It's just so annoying. But I will just go and clear the map, find the temple, get the mission in the temple done. Oh, see, that's what I'm talking about. You find this path when you come to look at the test. That's very cool. Oh. Oh, oh, I'm gonna die. I'm stuck. Yeah, I'm stuck. I don't know how it's stuck there, but I'm stuck. But anyway, come back. Am I going in the right direction? Oh. There you go. How he does this this jump? You see, I'm stuck here. Oh, I don't know how he does this jump, to be honest. You see that? I think if I double click the C keybind, he does the jump. Okay, I see. You double click the C bind. And he just eats him. I just want to get to this where he starts flying and the flames, throwing flames. That's so cool, man. I just want to get to it. You get one skill point. That's nice. The more enemies you kill, you get progress very quickly for the skill point. It's like a temple. Okay, there is a boss here, I believe. Oh yeah, I love boss. Let's get this guy.
First ones, hear our laments. Sanity recede, first ones, hear our laments. Sanity recedes ever further into the dark. Shadows hover above us, in the corners, watching and waiting. What sickness has come among us that so unsettles our minds? It sits poised.
I can't get my
Nowhere is safe.
oh no. Oh my god, this thing, this guy. All right, we're gonna change the tactic. They're gonna change the attack. We're going to use this guy because this guy is like good for far distance. Just from that far distance. What's that? Where did I find him? Okay, it's finished. He was here at this point here. Maybe until I get stronger enough, again, I can kill this guy.
First ones, hear our lament.
Yeah, after I get strong.
Ever further into the dark. Shadows hover above us, in the corners, watching and waiting.
What
What sickness has come among us that so unsettles our minds? It sits poised to strike. Nowhere is safe.
Not this time. Not this time, buddy.
Corruption breathes life where none should be.
Okay, let's see. Nice. Nice. Ooh la la, what the heck is this? Plus 20% maximum life. Right click to receive the blessing of the okay. Candle mass. Ah, why not? Okay, now we can go and kill the rest of these guys. So what's there? Nothing. Need to find the temple if I can. This is dead end. I think I need to go. Okay, still have this space in my inventory. All right, I think I cleared the map apparently, but there is this side here I can go. Before I do that, let me get my skill. Now I also finished if you remember yesterday, the day before yesterday I was doing this, so I completed the circle. It's not really noticeable, to be honest. I feel like I wasted in some of them my points, so now I'm going just to keep going until I reach this point here. So if I want, we can search for rage. There you go. This is the one I want to unlock, so if I have to go all the way to here and unlock them, and then because this will keep my my abilities, or this like the flamethrower and like longer, keep them longer. Like every time, see, like this one gain 1 rage on melee hit, so every time you hit with melee you get extended basically. and this gives you 3 plus 3 to maximum rage while shape shifted. Like, and this is exactly what I want, because you do shape shifting and then you want to have your rage continuous. So that means we just keep going in this direction until we reach here. So how many points I need? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So let's see. We can just add strings. Apply point. And keep going.
Time is nigh. Our triumph is at hand.
Such a wee man to cast such a shadow.
Yeah, we killed him already, man. Forget it.
Twisted thing.
What the? He's a big guy. Okay, buddy. Okay. Chill. No. Sometimes I use the wolf, sometimes, just sometimes. Oh, I was almost killing this guy. Ooh. Nope, what did I kill? Even my martial art weapon is not really strong, but I'm just using it for now. I feel like every time, like I feel my character is not too strong really. I think this is the way I want to try it. Let me see first. Very cool. Let's see. I have enough space for this one now. And the rest I can't, so let me go to my let's go portal. Yeah, because I consume. Actually, it came back. How? I don't know. I don't mind. So this one here, they look different, slightly different. So let me just put these guys here. I can compare them now. So all equipment plus 60 dexterity, 35 cold damage. I don't use cold. Also, ice cold is really powerful. But I'm focusing on fire in this wipe. Lightning damage also, that's cool. So maybe I get lightning. If I get fire damage, this is what I want. So what I will do here, probably make one here and another one here, and I take the fire damage. Okay, and then the lightning damage as well. Perfecto. Not sure if I want. Oh, I have 2 more. Oh man, that place is nice. I love that place. Let's see what's here. Physical damage as life 2%. As mana. This probably should go as mana. Should go. I think fire damage should go here. Bolt. Fire bolt. I think I made a mistake. Did I make a mistake? Let me see. If I do, let's get this one here. Can I take? I know this fire resistance. I think for if can I do this here? I wanted this guy. How do you take this? You can't take it anymore. Oh, you can you swap it maybe? All right, I will take this. It has like 2% to plus 25 maximum energy shield. Plus 30% damage, extra cold damage. I'll take this for now. And what do I need to do here? Let's keep this guy for now. This one here. Let's keep it here. And then sell and get these two from here. So Finn,
Hello. None of it's junk.
give them this.
Sure what I'm gonna do with it. But
Gosh,
cheers.
this. What does he has? This guy. Nah, doesn't have anything. Useless. Here. And here. Right. Go back to my stash. Just put these guys back here. 10 to get artifact. Okay. I take 2. All right. Let's see. Yeah, this is where I want to go. This is where I want to go. Exactly. And I think if we do this, we just leave, you know, because it's where you can make. Also, this map has like very interesting stuff. So now let's look at my stash, see what I can improve. I want to improve this for sure. Why do I have to? Okay, that's a big deal. Let's get rid of this here. And let's see. Alright, definitely I want to try and improve this. I want one like this with gold, but I don't think I have. Let me see. Here we go. This one. Yeah, let's take this with us. Let me see. This is the my first armor. And this is my first talisman. I'm thinking if can I improve this? I mean, it's almost the same as this one, right? No, this is better actually. These boots, what do I have here? I'll try to improve these boots which I'm wearing. Okay, I think that I'm okay with this. Now let's go. Temple console. Now for the temple console, this is my last trip last time. I need to progress to this direction, which is kind of weird. All right, it doesn't allow me to go there. You just connect here and here, as you can see. Also, okay, this one brings you one step forward, so I'll do that. We have one already here, so I don't think I need to put one here, right? No. Instead, I want, if I connect these two like that, I'm not sure that's effective. This thing is so confusing. It's like a mini game inside the game. So let's see. Okay, this one here. I can do that. Yeah, why not? Now let's see. Does it offer us anything? No. This one here, it keeps coming to me here, so I will probably, this will be my, I think, my last chance. I'll do it. Okay, number of monsters packs, 30% increase monster packs. You can read here as well if you notice. Let's see. Not sure if I need this, to be honest, but for the sake of clicking, I just click on it. This will open for me a path here, or should I really don't need? Yeah, why not? Let's just place it here. Okay, and what this does here, connect these two. Disconnect these two. It doesn't connect these two, it actually leave it open like that. But if I do this, it will connect this one here. Sealed vault. Should I go with the sealed vault or with the path? I'll go with the sealed vault. And then finally just, this is only one place left for the path. Do it. Why not? I have no idea what I did. Let's go. Let's see what we get from here.
The road forks again. Mindless machine!
Do I have a place to explore in this side? I can't go back. Oh, the door is locked. You can't go back actually. That's no big deal. Let's explore this side here. Wait, stay in one place. Come on. Don't be... Room completed. Okay, nice. Okay, this is a workbench in this room here. We can make use of this. Let me see, explore if there is anything to loot somewhere here. Nothing. I really kind of like this machine. Look at that. Wow. Okay, now let's see what we can craft. First thing I want to try to craft is work on my boots if possible. It's not allowed. Okay, fine. Fine. How about this? Doesn't work. How about this guy here? Doesn't work. Oh, what the? Okay, that's my guy is doing something funky. Apparently I can't do anything. With this. Well, that's annoying. How about this? No. How about this? No. Nothing? I can't believe this. I can't do anything? Wow. Only this? Okay, no problem. I mean... Well, that's very useless. Okay, apparently this temple is not gonna offer me anything. I'm not gonna finish. Go this direction. Room completed. Does it have anything, this room? Nothing. Nothing. I'm getting only XP here. Really. Alright, I'll take it. Okay, this room has some loot apparently, which is not too bad. Okay, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Man, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I can't move. Okay, here. Come, jump, 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 jump. I'm stuck. There you go. Okay, it's still a beta. Okay, so we're testing now. It's okay. Checkpoint. It's a workbench. Okay, now we're talking. Now we're talking. Now I can do stuff on my. So this one is different. Exalted workbench is different. Can accept some of this stuff here, not everything. At least it will accept my talisman. Does it accept this? Accept my boots as well. So let me do this. It's one of two. I'm going to improve it or gonna ruin it. So let's see. This one has quality plus 4%. I think I improve the quality of this thing. 14 to 30 physical damage. That's what it adds. Let's see. 55% increase flammability magnitude. How about this one here? 57 increase flammability. 55. Okay, I'm going to do this for this one, but will be a problem because if we improve this, we lose these two. Maybe I can get them back. That's not a big deal. Let's. Fuck it, I'm gonna do it. Craft. $15 to 31 physical damage. 14 to 30 physical damage. 57. Well, this is not big, not different. That much different. Just for the sake of trying, let me see if I can play with this and see what's happened. Okay, this door is closed. We can go this way. Okay, I'm stuck again. I'm stuck again. Man, this is so annoying. I'm stuck. I'm serious stuck. I'm stuck, I can't move. It's so annoying. But I'll try to kill him while I'm stuck. Hopefully I can. I think I will be able to do it. Okay, now I can't. I need to get out of here, but I can't. Oh, man, I don't know why he keeps stalking. Here we go. He started moving. That's so annoying. This is new. What's this? I have no idea what the heck it is. Oops. Oh, wait, chill. Wait a second. I think I received something interesting. What's this? Improves the quality of skill gem. Right click. Okay. Maybe what skill gem do I need? Let me see. Probably this one here. Right. Let's try this. Right click. Can I apply to this? No, I can't apply to. I can only apply to this volcano. No, I'm not going to do that. Rolling magma. Maybe the rolling magma is the only one I'm using for this guy. And the savage fury. Okay, I'll use this for this guy. Okay, let's see what happened. What is else here? It doesn't do anything. Probably. Let me see. What should I throw away? Okay, fine. Checkpoint. I think. Okay, let's see what this workbench has. Can I try this? Okay, I can try this one here. That's good to know. Can I try this? Oh, I can try this one here as well. What do I want to do? Honestly, I want to try improve my talisman, because these are the one when I shape shifting, or what you call it. So let me see that. I will put this one here. I might lose these two. I really don't want to lose them, but I'm taking the gamble here. Grab. Oh, okay. Good, they stay. Oh, quality increased by 20%. That's interesting. Now let's swap this guy here. Okay, getting better. Let's see. All right, so checkpoint. Let's see if I can go somewhere to checkpoint. I want to go to this here. Guardhouse. I want to explore the guardhouse. So let's go here and go to the right side. Right. Do we have access to this side here? I'm not sure. Maybe through here? Those red lines, the one we saw in the map, isn't it? Yeah, this is the right way. Oh, that was kind of strong. Let's go here. Silver charm. The only reason I will take this because of the this thing on it. So let me see. First, let's kill these guys. Oh, that's a lot of gold I see there. First, let me see. Excuse me. I will get rid of this here. I'll take this because it has what do you call this? Artifact? Yes. Full gold. 260. Okay, that's nice. Let's take the gold first and then take this guy. I'll probably, oops, I didn't want to do that. Drops something here. They're all good. Drop this guy here. And just put this aside here. This is here. I can't take this armor. I'll drop this guy. How can I get this here? Need to get rid of something. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna... Oh, okay, I can't do anything. And I hate this. Oh, okay, I found it. Just throw this one here. Let's get this rid of this one. And let's keep going. Gold. This is the end of this side. I don't know how he can move fast. Oh, look at this, all this gold, man. Oh my god. There's a lot of gold here. What's the liver doing? How about this liver? This will get you inside, right? Ooh la la. Oh my god. Oh. Okay, let's see this. No. Cool. Take the charm. Take this one. Now let's see. We are to have to drop things. Drop this. I'll drop this. Take the bow, maybe. Can't take the bow. Can't take this one as well. Put this here. This guy here. We'll take this here. Probably if I put this one here and then this one. Can I take this? Nope, I can't take it. Okay, fine. I think this should be enough. There's a lot of money already. I'm very rich now. Open temple map. Where am I? I'm here. Okay. I didn't know you can open the temple map from here. I can. Apparently you can. You click on this here. And we did this already. This one is still left. Okay, let's go do that. Probably go here. Yeah, and then we go right side. So these red lights here are basically these red lines here. Let me see.
Restless dead.
This room has a workbench, which is cool. Now let's see. This is alchemy workbench. Let's see what this can do for us. Okay, we can improve this. Chill, man. We can't improve this. We can't do anything about this. About the gloves, nothing. Armor, no. Alchemy, see, alchemy has each workbench apparently has its own kind of like equipment or stuff you can do there. Like this one, alchemy apparently, like for rings. I think for this one, no, not for this one, for the other ring maybe. This one is already improved, so we can't improve it anymore. And that's it. Yeah, I think that's how it works. So since we can't improve any of these, I'll make use of this. Yes, first oh, this is nice. I'm going to swap it later. So let's do the ring here. That's for free, why not? All right, take it. What did I get? Fire resistance. Okay, not bad. Let's see where else we go. This side we explore the generator, which I mentioned on the map here. As I said, this part here within this generator and this one. So let me see if I can go to next to them. I'm here. If I go here, then I can cross like this. Yep, let's do that. Through here. Okay, it's not. It's close. Through this side, maybe here. Your chest, gold. What's here? Okay, this we didn't explore this area. But here. Man, when he rage, he's really powerful. This Wolverine. Elegant jest. It has 6 gold only. Noble jest. Let's do this. Okay, this has a nice shield. Can I drop anything on my inventory that's not worth it? I can't get the shield here. Wish if I can drop one of these and get the shield, because the shield is not really going to fit here, unfortunately. So we kind of stuck with these two guys. What's up, buddy? One hit and he dead. Hey, man. He died. What's up? Okay, this is a generator room. Do we have anything here to clear? Room complete. This is the alchemy workbench. Okay, this is very useless. It's not like that one. Crazy details. Even the symbols, like the time they took to draw every single symbol here, man. This is so cool. All right, let's see what we can get here. Okay, I can't do anything about this. Nothing. Yeah, that's so annoying. We can't do too much in this now. Nothing. Well, okay. That sucks. Can we do this? No, I cannot do that one. But this. Can we improve this? No, you can't. What about this here? Nothing. What's this charm? This charm... Your speed is unaffected by slows. And it's fire resistance. Okay, that's not gonna help me too much. Okay, this one actually can be improved. And... yeah, let's try this. I mean, we don't have anything to lose, so let's just do this, see what happens. Keep this here. Let me see. This one plus 24 armor, 25 maximum life, 11 resistance, 6% cold resistance. How about this? Fire resistance, 11 fire lightning resistance. 39 maximum life. It doesn't have armor. That's the problem with this one. Maybe we will think about it. Okay, for now, just let's go. I think I'm done here. I'm done on this. Is there any checkpoint around me? Yeah, here is this checkpoint. Yeah, I cleared the temple except the stone legion. Okay, we have to go there. This is, I think, like one of the boss, I think. If I'm not mistaken, but let's go. It should be somewhere here. Oh, okay. Look at him. He's sleeping. Oh, this is gonna be a fight. Oh shit. Okay, I want to see what's going on, man. Okay, this is too slow. I'm just gonna shoot you with this guy. No. No, I didn't want that. Nope. He's so easy. I did improve this. The reason why I'm using the rolling magma, because I did improve it, but it's not doing anything to this guy. No. He's just taking longer time. He's not too strong, but it's just taking longer time. Oh, this is new. New technique, man, huh? It's gonna take some time. Okay, now I want to use this guy. Oh, this is new. Okay, this guy is useless for now. Okay, I'm getting out of here. Ooh, buddy. Yeah, first time actually I meet this boss, to be honest. Ooh, that was good. Okay. I just basically have to stay behind his back. That's what I have to do. If I can. Nice. Temple complete. Gloves. I think I have a space for the gloves, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, the rest is scrap. Okay, there is someone here in this room apparently. All right, now the temple is complete, 100%. Gold. Gold. Nothing here. Let's see. This last workbench. Let's do it. Okay, but here, nothing. What about this guy? Yeah, I think I use everything now. I can't do anything. Nothing. Okay, how about this? No. These gloves are interesting. We can't do anything about them. Man, that sucks, man. Okay, so I just craft this one to sell it. When I can't craft this. Okay. Waste of time. Sure, alright. So I can't craft anything. Just now we just leave. I can't use my portals are disabled here. Okay, let's get out of here then. About here. Alright, I can. There's checkpoint somewhere here. We can just get out. Get this machine. Like some kind of weird dark matter reactor. Alright, so I'll just go here. Dark matter reactor. That's interesting name. Dark matter actually is filling our universe and we have no idea. What is the dark matter? Can I open my portal here now? We have no idea what the dark matter is or how can we get it actually. Can I do the temple again? Oh, they're gone. Because I cleared them. Alright, okay. Go to my stash. Let's put these guys here. And speaking of the dark matter, which is filling the universe basically. Maybe most of it, not all of it, but most of it. I don't want to keep this here. There are some experiments, you know, to detect the dark matter, but because the signal is very, 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 very small. Like, so you need a very sensitive device to detect. And usually when we go to the the lowest level of sensitivity, we're talking about like atomic detectors, like using atoms to detect. So there was an experiment I remember in Australia, in Melbourne, where I did my PhD in Australia. There was a professor, his last name, his full name is Brian Dalton. You can look up his papers. And one of his experiments, and I worked with him a little bit for some time, is using this, what they call is ultracold atoms to detect this dark matter. So the idea is like you prepare your atoms in a what they call Bose-Einstein condensation. Let's go to home. I think I want to go here, right? Can I go here? Yeah, okay. And we're in Act 2 now. And I want to sell some stuff. So let's go to this lady. We want to talk about dark matter and at the same time we want to do to play the game. Let's sell for her stuff. Let's see what can we sell. Oh, I have to go to my stash first, collect the stuff and then come and sell. So I cannot explain like I'm gonna sell these things and I don't need everything here. Let's go. I cannot explain the how Bose-Einstein condensation is created because this is way complicated than just explain to you. I'll try my best. I explain it to you in just in Path of Exile stream. But basically is if you manage to capture individual atoms, let's say you create a vacuum. I want to explain this why, because I want to take you to how we can detect dark matter. So you capture atoms in a vacuum chamber, just create very ultra high vacuum system and get atoms. When you say vacuum, that means like you clear basically the chamber from any other atoms, any type of atoms except the one you want interested to study. So because when they collide with other atoms, even with themselves, they create heat and they just kill their quantum state. So it's all quantum basically. And do I need to keep this belt? Oh yeah, this one I want to keep, but this one I don't want to keep. Sell this boot to... Oh, you can sell this. What else do we need to sell here? So and then you create the vacuum system, you put your atoms there, you make sure that there are no other atoms. So let's say you want to do like rubidium atoms, which is quite famous for Bose-Einstein condensation. They love rubidiums because there are electrons orbiting the nuclear, and those the most out electrons, they're like called the outer shell because they're sitting in shells. These are easy to manipulate with laser, whatever, electric field. I don't think you can manipulate with electric field for rubidium atoms, but with lasers. So they have like single electron outside in the outer shells, and they can do transition between energy state. So each shell is basically the energy level, and you can go between those energy level by exciting the electron or releasing the energy from the electron. So you can just change the quantum state basically of the atom by just simply talking to the... Oh, look at this, these are new. Cannot be stunned. I never get stunned in this game. Not yet. Let's see what's here. I have this better ring than this and this all. Okay. Goodbye, Zarka. We need now to progress here to get to the caravan because I haven't reached the caravan yet. So let's keep doing that. What's this? Okay, my god, this guy.
The bread bowl of the world, the verdant land of 7 waters.
Is this the way out?
Be sure to have your toll ready at the
Yeah.
gates.
All right.
Gems, metalwares, and coin are all accepted.
So now you create a good vacuum system where you have your... I think I need to swap this stick with this one because I'm going to deal with these stupid bugs which they have. Where is my stick? There and there. They have the electric or lightning is much better to kill them. Those little insects, they come from here. Not this one, the other one. Not this one, the other one. So and then okay, your atoms basically, you know, flying around on this chamber, ultra high vacuum chamber. So you can study them unless your vacuum chamber is really small, like very small, like micro scale. We're talking about micro scale vacuum chamber. It's just, it could be an idea. I'm not sure if someone did it, to have a micro scale chamber where you can interact with atoms. Maybe they are doing some such thing on this atomic clock, which is used for GPS and space communications, stuff like that. Do you know GPS actually based on atomic clock, by the way, because it's so accurate, like your airlines and space, whatever, anything flies that rely on GPS and fly is using kind of atomic clocks. You see how it kills these bugs? So if you don't have, okay, what to do if you don't have a micro scale chamber, or you can access it? Most like university, it's too expensive first to create a micro scale chamber, by the way. You might be like, it's too small, but it's too expensive because of a lot of things could go wrong. The temperature fluctuation, you know, keeping the ultra high vacuum, you know, like maintained on this chamber, which is very difficult. So you can use other techniques. Okay, this stream now suddenly turned into physics lecture. I think, okay, I mean, I'm just talking. Okay, let's just keep talking. We want to see how we detect dark matter. No, this guy is a big ass spider. All right, Bucko. I have to do this. My guy is suddenly strong. You notice that? Wait, what the heck? Okay, this is an orb. So then, okay, how can then you create a small confining space if you can't create a micro chamber? What is this? A micro chamber for ultra vacuum system. There are some chambers that you can have high vacuum, not ultra high vacuum. They're two different, by the way. Vacuum, high vacuum, ultra high vacuum. These are like 3 degrees of okay. So there are some companies, actually. I know one in China, but I'm not sure about. I think there is one in USA as well, that creates small chambers for vacuum system. And I think it's built by a professor in Colorado, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, that's actually true. I met him. I didn't work with him before. I met him a couple of times, but he actually has, and I think he's one of the Nobel laureates, won prize in physics, I think. Okay, these are useless. I'm not going to bother even taking them. And this is a nightmare. I hate these little guys. So this high vacuum, they made it like from glass, basically. They can't create ultra cold atoms, which is another name for Bose-Einstein condensation. They can create only cold atoms, and the difference between cold atoms and ultra cold atoms is just simply the temperature and the stability of the quantum state. of their quantum state. So that's the only difference between these two. Cold atoms are used, and some of them I work in my research actually in cold atoms for atomic clocks. They're much more accurate than just atoms. Oh, I got something here. I got something interesting. Well, I'm not using the ball, unfortunately, but let's take it and sell it. Why not? Yeah. Unfortunately, I don't use this bow. Sad. So, what were you saying? The cold atoms. So the chamber, you can create a small chamber. It's not micro scale still, but small enough to capture atoms, and then you can use some techniques to create to cool down the atoms to cold the state. So then what you do if you want to trap the atoms and cool them down to a point where you can then study dark matter. So if you want, you can rubidium atoms. Another thing interesting about rubidium atoms, which is I think is more important than just being you know, oh, look at all this gold, man. Let me help these guys. I think one thing is more important than just for the rubidium atoms than just having this external electron or outer shell electrons easy to manipulate, is that they actually can they act like little magnets because of this, or still because of this single electron in the outer shell. So that means you can put a magnetic field around them, and then magnetic field, as you know, you can shape it as the way you like. You can make it looks circular, spherical shape, magnetic field. So the magnetic field is not straight lines. You can change the magnetic lines to be like has some low values at some point in the space and high values in some point in the space. And that means you can create a local minimum of magnetic field where you can put anything that interact with magnetic field and trap it on that point, the very low field. And that basically I just explained for you the magnetic trapping of atoms. Okay, cool. Let me see. Oh no, that's poison. Okay, I need to clear this first. Hold on. Okay. Let me see. I'm just talking about this thing called atoms and blah blah blah, and I'm not sure if anyone is watching actually. Let me check first. All right. That's let's see, Twitch, we close Twitch here. See the YouTube. Okay. No one is watching, but maybe someone later will come and enjoy this yabbing about or talking about the dark matter detection using cold atoms or ultracold atoms. So, all right, now you back to the vacuum system. You created vacuum system, ultra high vacuum system, just to be precise or to be accurate. and then you manage to capture your atoms. You use the rubidium for this because they're really good magnetic properties and so on. And last time we used strengths. Let's use dexterity, apply, and then you create magnetic field. By the way, magnetic field is super easy to create actually. It has to be just a little bit strong to trap those atoms, because if you use weak field, atoms will not really sense the magnetic field. So the way you create magnetic field is so easy. Just bring a wire, long wire, and then make some kind of interesting donut shape of this. How many turns determine how strong is your field. So you create 2 donuts basically, or some use 4, some uses 2, some use different type of configuration just because they want to play with the locations where the magnetic field minima exist. So this 2 coil, once you create your ultra vacuum system, you don't want to place anything inside because it will destroy your vacuum system. Oh, this guy. So you want to place your magnetic field or magnetic coils outside, because the high current going through the wires, creating heat, and that means heating up the wires, and they start degassing, and that's bad. That's very bad for your vacuum system. Change in the temperature on the ultra high vacuum system also change the degree or the pressure basically inside the chamber, so you want to avoid that. So you can you place let me show you what I mean by the if I can. Let me show you what I mean by the chamber, ultra high vacuum chamber. If I can find the internet, give me 1 second. Ultra high. There you go. So let me switch. I don't know if you can see stream. There you go. So that's a chamber. That's ultra high vacuum chamber. Let me see if I can see better images for this. This one is very large apparently. Like this is like, it's it depends on the experiment or what you want to do basically. Some are very large. This is kind of a little bit small. These are the type of chambers I used to work with back in days when I was academic, when I used to love academia. So these chambers here, you can, so it's ultra high vacuum inside, and there's nothing inside, but some people, some researchers, like they're interested in some type of interaction of atoms with surface maybe, or something to study physics, or even to create something called microtraps. They put inside some called atom chip, which basically will take the conversation ways to quantum computing, but we do this another day. So yeah, let's focus only on dark matter detection for now. No atom chip, nothing. So it's just pretty much empty from inside, like nothing there, like this. And these arms basically is, if you have anything, this, for example, the experiment here, apparently they want to create atom chip, and they want to send electrical signals to manipulate the current on the chip. So they send it through here. But if for laser, you just need optical window like this. So you just, pretty easy, huh? Simple. Just send the laser through the glass. And you can, if you want to send multiple lasers, which you will need, you can, instead of having electrical ports like this. You can have optical windows where the laser goes through. So and imagine now this is empty and just you have optical windows instead of electrical connections. Where do you place your magnetic coils? So you place them outside here, like in the side circle, a donut shape one here, like I don't know, hundreds of turns basically, maybe. The number of turns, as I said, it depends on how you want to create the magnetic field, and on that side as well. So two. This is the simplest configuration. 2. So let's see my ultracold. Let's call cold atoms magnetic coils maybe. Yeah, that's maybe something similar. Let me find something better. Here we go. This is the best one. So these are sitting outside, and those lines basically are your magnetic fields. So this means here there is a very low magnetic field in the center and high everywhere else, and that basically creates a spherical shape magnetic trap. It's not strong enough, but enough to contain your atoms inside the chamber. So I'm not sure if we can find the picture, and this is the picture which I want to see. It's too small, but it's fine. I think you can see it from here. The coils outside, and then the ultra high vacuum chamber. And this is exactly what the experiment which you want to use for creating ultra cold atoms, or even cold atoms, as you can see here. So these are the optical windows I was talking about, besides the big one, and these are the lasers. Okay, now you trap your atoms inside the magnetic field, push them to the rubidium because they act like magnetic, you know, magnets, little atomic magnets, and they get trapped here. So the Bose-Einstein condensation is just like a different state of matter. It's not like it's not liquid, it's not gas, it's itself is a state of matter, same as plasma. So there has to be a transition to that state, right? So that's what happened when you cool the atoms and start doing something called evaporative cooling. Evaporative cooling basically is just getting rid of the hot atoms. Remember, your vacuum is running and this is sealed. So once it's sealed, that means your hot atoms go outside. Maybe they stick to the walls of your chamber, but they don't stay. Oh, did I just click exit? Well, that tells you like my brain can't function two things at the same time. I click exit the game. So you reach the point where you do evaporative cooling, and then you just keep repeating the process of getting rid of the hot atoms, pushing them into the local minima of the magnetic field, stroke magnetic field, and at some point they will all act very weird, which is that's why Einstein discovered this. Not by himself. There is another guy with him, which is Bose. I can't remember his full name, but they both discovered this. So, by the way, Einstein, I think I could be wrong. People might hate me for this. Einstein is overrated. There are people did more important things than Einstein, and the history just denied them. Unfortunately. He did develop things on his own, but most of his work is coming from others. Like you look at Schrödinger, you look at Paul, I think his name, Max Planck, all these people, like they actually lay down the foundation before even Einstein started working in physics. So yeah, that's another thing we can talk about another time. So that state, basically, the transition suddenly happened there, where everything kind of freeze basically, and all each atom. Remember, each atom has its own quantum state, before it was distinguishable because you can easily, when you measure the spin precision of this and that, they're not the same. But because you're cooling them down, bringing the temperature to be unified, and suddenly became indistinguishable particles. And that was Bose-Einstein condensation basically. Here sometimes people talk like the wave function and so on, overlap of the wave function. That's another way to describe it. We don't want to go into that detail because it's complicated. So now if you have a bunch of atoms sitting all together and you can treat their wave function as one wave function, which is for the Bose-Einstein condensation. And Brian Dalton, the professor who I mentioned to you, I think he didn't get the chance to prove his work. Unfortunately, he was I'm not sure he's still alive, to be honest. That was in 2000. I hope he's still alive. I hope he can hear what I'm talking about. If you're watching this from Australia, go and talk to this guy in Melbourne University, Brian Dalton. I don't think even anyone pay attention to his experiment yet. At some point they will start looking at it when people start taking the dark matter seriously. So now any disturbance in the field, at this very very small scale, quantum disturbance, let's call it, if it happens, the state of the Bose-Einstein condensation will shift, noticeable shifts that you can measure. So the same way we detected the gravitational wave on this LIGO experiment, in the same way you can actually use Bose-Einstein. And I think one of his proposals also, you can measure the gravitational wave using Bose-Einstein condensation. So there you go. I just explained how to detect Bose-Einstein condensation using ultracold atoms. End of the lecture. I'll see you in the next class. Now, can we continue our game? So, this is not the lecture, nothing part of the physics anyway. I was thinking about like, I like to talk about aliens. Oh, okay, this is the boss, which we don't like to fight now. Oh, this is not good, man. Okay, let's fight this boss and then we talk about aliens. All right, I need to find this boss. Where is he? He's here, up here. What's up, motherfucker? Sorry. Ooh, he almost killed me. No, don't kill me, don't kill me. Ah, they killed me. I didn't pay attention to my life, man. Alright, hopefully I'll come back and I don't have to kill him again. Oh, okay, I'm going wrong direction. Oh, this sucks, man. I have to kill him again. No? What is my loot? My loot is gone. Okay, I hate this game. Seriously, man, this is not fair, man. All right, fine. My loot is gone. I got scammed. So mad now. So this is a completely different topic. About presence of intelligent life on the universe. I really kind of I like this thing, this kind of ideas. This is why I became a physicist, because I'm so fascinated with these ideas. Do we have actually another intelligent life out there in the universe? I mean, I can't. Okay, I don't have the answer for sure. But if you, when you go outside and just look around you, look up in the sky, like, is it actually really we're just alone? Like, how many galaxies do we have on this solar system? Not solar system, in our. How many planets that can support life in our just galaxy? And there are so many, right? I mean, I don't think even they count them all yet. How do you know it's can support life? Basically, like if you look at the orbit of Earth, right? So the orbit of Earth is set exactly in the right place, where temperature is not too hot, you know, not too cold, enough for life to exist. Plus, you know, other conditions. So like the water doesn't evaporate, you know, there is atmosphere and atmospheric pressure, all these kind of details. They call it the green belt, right, around the sun. Like for example, if you take Mercury actually is doing some kind of, look it up in the internet if you want. It started recently doing some kind of weird stuff which wasn't supposed to be doing, according to Einstein theory for sure. One of the, I think, the general relativity. It starts doing some kind of strange things. I suggest you look it up. So if you look at Mercury, for example, Mercury doesn't support, I mean, it's too hot, right? It's too close to the sun. It's really hot planet. Everything is evaporated since the time our solar system existed. And there is no way there will be life present on Mercury compared to Earth. So Earth, has just the right conditions for life to exist. So now, how many sun do we have on our galaxy? No, talking only about our galaxy, no other galaxies, nothing else. There are several suns like that. I don't know how many, to be honest. I'm not an astrophysicist, but I can tell you there are like hundreds, maybe thousands, if not millions, of suns. Like what do you call it? Solar system, almost solar systems. Let's call them, just for simplicity, solar systems. Okay. Not sure this is the right name for it, but let's call them solar systems. Okay, I think this is the caravan, isn't it? No, we get into the caravan, yeah? No? No, actually I came back to my original point. This so sucks, man. Okay, what else do we have here? We want to put this here. I'm not sure, I'm not going to use this one, but just for sake of keeping it, let's put this guy here. What happened to that flask I want to keep? It has 250, this one here. Actually, stay here. You come here. Okay, now we're full. Go and sell. Oh, the caravan is here.
You defeated the raiders?
Mm-hmm.
Fate sends us a fortuitous stranger. Welcome to the Adura Agara.
Adura Agara.
May travel with us in
How do they
exchange
come up
for
with
your
these names,
service
man?
As a Jingak. And you will have
Okay, I'm a
nearly
Jingak
the
from now on.
respect of one of our For as long as you stay.
Nice. I've got this one, which I do definitely need. Now let's sell you some stuff that you might need, or I don't know. Hopefully this is going to offer me the throwing flame of this guy. I wish so, really. Hope so. I want to check one thing here. I have 3 of them, I believe. The problem is if I create any one of these, I want the third one. I can't get it because I only have 2 slots left. There's 2 slots available. The rest I don't know how to get them. I'm still new for this game, by the way. So let's see what this can offer us. Fury
of the mountain.
Dude, I want the throwing flame volcano. Okay, let me see all gems. I think it should be somewhere here. Not the rolling magma? Is it the rolling magma? I have the rolling magma already. Okay, Is this the one? I'm trying to find. I think this one is like when he fly, he throw, you know, breath fire over. Yeah, this is shapeshifted into over and over corpse of global enemy and additional nearby corpse for each. I'm not sure this is the right one. Okay, I can't find it. Is it primal? It is primal. This one? No, not oil. Not the oil. Flame breath. This one. How can I get this one? Level 52 required. What they're talking about? I'm level 90. Man, okay, I gave up. Forget it. That sucks, man. Where is the wind blast? Let's just get the wind blast. Whatever. Now I'm mad. I have to wait until level 50. So annoying, man. This sucks, man. I'm so mad now. Fireball. Let me get this guy here. Put this instead of the fireball because we're not using it. Here. Can we put this one? Wind plus. Flame wall. Volcano. What this does basically? Ignite. Enemy making it more likely to ignite. We can actually use it here. I will give it a try. I'll try it here, and I think I already have it here. Ignite right here. Yeah. So let's use it with rage. Let's use it instead of this guy here, right? And let's see, can we use it somewhere? No. I'm just going to try to use this, and this one does what support strike that perform a final strike at the end of combination of attacks, allowing you to use a final strike twice in success. Okay, probably I'm gonna put it back. I will keep now. It's gonna put this somewhere here. No. What do I keep my stuff here? Okay, I'll keep this one now here. On this one, I'll swap it later if it's not gonna work for me. And yeah, that's it. Caravan.
They move with the wind, these folk. Can I help but admire it?
The hooded one.
The beast is on the move, twisting the desert as it goes, waking ancient dead and unknown horrors alike. The Countess brought it here as part of some nefarious plan. I assume she has allies here. We must track them down and convince them to give up this madness.
Speak to the Sakama. I remember this boss. Salvage. Do I have anything on my stash to be salvaged? I think I do. No? Yeah. Okay, I'm not gonna do that. Probably this one. Actually, I don't use cold, unfortunately. I'm just collecting rubbish and stuff like I'm not even using. Like this one here, so sell everything. Nice music. This is my first armor. I don't want to let it go, man, but you can go. Let me see. I mean, we're rocking this for now. Okay, it's fine. Let's just sell it, man. Let's sell this Shaprin.
Who goes there? By the sound of your voice, you
This is
cannot
another
be
Finn,
Marageth.
right?
You may trade with me, for trade is the lifeblood of survival in the desert.
Okay, let's see.
No need to rush.
4 golds, 15, 14.
Take
Let's
care.
see. Zaraka,
Young one, I've got some trinkets.
15. Okay, this is a little bit better.
Here, have this useless gold.
No, it's the same. I need to clean my stash, man. Okay, let's do this today. Let's do this now.
We'll tell your tale.
Okay. Do that, please. Yeah, sell. Keep this. Keep this. 3. Sell. Sell. What this? 10% to intelligence. Maybe we will need at some point. I don't think we'll need the intelligence, to be honest. So I'll keep them for now. Let's just sell this one. Just keep it here. This guy is interesting. What he's wearing is so cool. Have same torn gloves here. Probably I'll sell this because I have one somewhere here. This one. It has 67 increased flammability magnitude, and this one has 57 only. Okay, we're gonna work on this. This is our research, our next research. So this is the flask actually I was using early. Now let's sell everything here. Okay, I think I want to sell this as well. This guy. His boots. This one I can sell. I mean, let me find a space for it. 70% increase flammability. And what's this here? Okay, let's keep it. The charm, go and sit with your brothers here for now. Okay, that's enough. Let's go to this
I
lady
got some trinkets.
here.
Here, have this useless gold.
This for you.
Here, have this useless gold.
Okay. Now let's go
Do not wander.
meet Sakama.
I am Asala, the Sekima of the Ardura. I care not where you came from, nor what caste you might have been there. All that matters is that you have shown yourself capable in battle, Jingak. Remain a friend to the Ardura.
Okay, okay, cut the crap. What else? I think we have to do something somewhere. Okay, Sakama.
So, the beast has entered the world once more. We were following a trail of We Maraket are honored bound to... The trail connects to 2 locations. Fight to the last.
Travel. What's the quest? In areas of corruption. This one here. We have to travel to here. Look at the caravan. It looks nice. This, but the task is here. Travel to Midway Quarter. That's what it says, right? And then we go to travel the corruption trail of corruption. So investigate area of corruption. Also, it's still investigate corruption. Maybe this is a quest. And what the heck is this? Oh, there are 2 area of corruption. Okay, let's go there. Ooh, look at this guy. Oh, this is the same guy. I think you get through here. Do I want to use this instead? Instead of this one? Let's try first with this lightning bolt, and then if it doesn't work, we go try fire. Okay.
The Farad'n beat the drums of war.
What's up, guys?
Wild spawn.
Okay, they're a little bit hard to kill, these people. These guys. Not too hard. What is the explosion? They said they detonate. Oh, that's nice. What did he throw this? Okay. Now let me see the fire. The fire one. Why I'm carrying this? Did I? Okay, I don't know. I think I took it now. Let me see the fire here. With these 2 guys. Hold a second. Is this the same? We can't place this anywhere. Nope. Let's see the fire. Oh, this is dead end. Oh, the fire is too strong, man. 100%. But the accuracy is not great, but it's fine. Oh, go away, mosquitoes. Giant ass mosquitoes. Easy. Scroll of wisdom.
Wiles take ya!
What? He's still alive? Oh, this is so easy. Imagine this guy is too strong already. When we reach like 52, level 52, which we're not gonna make it on this open beta. Nope. I don't think we will reach level 50 even. Level, not 50, level 30 on this open beta. Oh crap. Oh no. You motherfucker. Oh, big guy. Why did I pick up this? Okay, well, I forgot we were talking about aliens. we can talk about this in the other stream. It's an interesting topic, no? I really like talking about it too, and just study it, you know, learn about it. But if you ask me, do I believe there other life? I will say I believe there is other life outside, but is it intelligent? I'm not sure. Intelligent life. I believe there are. Okay, why I'm carrying this to here? Just drop. Wait a second. Let's keep it. There is other life. 100% sure there are other lives outside because.
Come from breaking death's hold.
What did you say?
People have lived in the shadows of the dunes for too long. Countless generations have been forgotten. Will be forgotten.
Because
We are not
there are so many planets. And there are millions of galaxies. In each galaxy there are millions of planets that support life. They're just a little bit far from us, or our technology is not reaching them yet.
We must show them our strength.
Okay, man. Okay, chill. We don't have the technology to reach that for sure. So other form of life, like that is gonna be organic for sure, bacterial shape. Even I believe we can find animals like you know, wildlife animals basically on other planets. I think we will find this at some point, not now. And primitive life basically. I think that's it's not a possibility. It's just when we're going to discover that. So my guy is glowing for some reason. That's what I think about that, about the intelligent life. That's what I want to talk about actually, not the primitive life or animal form life. About the intelligence lives, like they're oh, he start jumping. He's doing the thing. If let's say there is intelligent life out there, like if we look at the Big Bang, right, when it started, and if you remember this Big Bang shape, this cone, let me see, let me try to search it. Okay, let me switch this shape, this Big Bang cone. That's a famous one. Is this on here? Which one is showing our locations, our you know, our position on the cone? Dark ages first star appear. Okay, this doesn't have, it has enough details, but it's not. 1 million years. I'm not sure if we're in the 1 million years or early galaxies, modern galaxies. I wish it can show our position with respect in regards to the, or respect to the Big Bang. Anyways, this one doesn't show. Oh, you guys gonna see here in YouTube Shorts I'm talking about. So anyway, let's say we're somewhere maybe here. I definitely could be wrong about our position on the Big Bang, but let's say we're somewhere here, right? So that means ahead of us, this galaxy is here all the way at the edge. I don't know how they came up with the idea there is an end for the Big Bang to this point here. Maybe they just did the calculation on the how the universe is expanding with other galaxies, and to determine where is the end point. Like after that, there is nothing. I don't know how they came up with this idea, but let's say assume this is the end of the cone here, and there are these galaxies which are like billions of light years away from us, ahead of us. So if there is intelligent life, and we're talking about if in our position, if let's say here, we just take a cross section here, there are billions of galaxies that we can't even count. So that means same number or a little bit less, maybe more or less, I would say, on that sector as well. So imagine if we have on only our own galaxy, just our galaxy is the Milky Way, there are millions of planets or solar system that support, have some type of planets that support life. So if there are some intelligent life out on this edge here, there will be, I think there will be ways far advanced that we can't even describe how advanced they are. And if we start talking like, okay, the famous Fermi paradox. Also, Fermi, by the way, he did a lot of things more than Einstein as well. But the famous paradox, Fermi, like, where is everyone? Those people probably they be just watching us, or maybe even they don't care about us. Okay, the one we see, if there is a UFO we see around flying around, if they are real, if they are UFOs, and they come here and check us, like, oh, look at these people, and so they made themselves, their presence kind of somewhat visible, or you can noticeable. These are the one we should worry about, to be honest, because these are just start evolving to a point where they can do interstellar travel, and they are civilization type 1 maybe, or type 2, I'm not sure. I have to dig. I'm going to prepare myself for the next stream to talk about this. They could be civilization, end of civilization 1. I'm not sure what our civilization 0 or type 1 or type 2. I'm not sure. I think we're even not type 1 yet. Those are civilization type 1, and those are the one who are like really so greedy for power and resources, and we should be worried about them. If you ask me what resources they're looking for on our planet or our system, I think their technology will be advanced, not like us to rely on rare minerals, earth minerals, and semiconductors and all these kind of things. They already exceed this. They passed way ahead of this. I think their technology will be mostly organic based. Like those gray aliens, I think these are just bots. They're not even a race. They're just what do you call, androids or bots? Like they're just robots. They're just organic robots. They're not and they've been controlled or programmed to come and do some research and so on. So these are the ones you should be worried about. And if they're interested on any resources, maybe if it happens, one of the resources on Earth that's so valuable, what do you think? For a civilization that organic based technology has an organic based technology, it will be us. But what exactly on us it will be so attractive to them? Well, it should terrify you that there will be very interesting in our brains. The computational power of capability of our brain is beyond our imagination, and we haven't even used on even, I think they claim like less than 25%. I don't think even 25% or even 20 or even 15% we have used of our brain capacity yet. So let that sink in. Yeah, so let me see how many hours they've been streaming, because I like to talk about these things. So maybe we can use those streams, because I don't have anyone to talk to, so I will just use the stream to talk to you guys. So let's see for how long I've been streaming. I need to check my stream. Stream. Two hours is not too bad, actually. You still have time, but the topic is quite interesting, and I don't think we can go into all the details we need to talk about in one stream. So let's see my channel. Let's see if anyone listening to this crap. Okay. Looks like no one is watching, so if you come later and check the stream and listen to this crap, we will continue talking about the intelligent life on our universe later. So this is a, I click again, I click exit again. Oh, this is crazy. All right, maybe, okay, I will stop here. So if I click twice exit, that means my brain is telling me stop, 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 stop. I was working all day today actually. So I'll stop here for Path of Exile. I want to play other games, and one of the games actually surprised me with the update is Star Citizen. As you know, let me go here. Let me see if I have a window open. Where is my channel? This is my channel. I think I have other one, which is Silent Space. This one also is still this channel. I mean, I'm not sure if you've seen it. People on short, YouTube shorts. You don't see the full page, but try to minimize it for you guys as much as I can. So if I go to my channel, and if I look at the videos, you will notice that my early start actually was Star Citizen. Like here, you see, I was streaming Star Citizen. I liked this game so much in the past, and it became so bad to a point where I stopped playing, and now they just surprised me with an update, which is they added VR. I think in one of my YouTube I was talking about using VR just like years ago. Let me try to find it. Where is it? Star Citizen. I'm trying to find the VR Star Citizen. I'm not sure where do I keep that. Is it in live? In live? Probably. Okay, I don't know where I have this VR test for Star Citizen. 100% sure I have it somewhere. But anyways, I don't want to waste your time. We will look at the Star Citizen VR. So I have to prepare my setup, my VR, Oculus, and so on. And then we going to test it. So it will not be on this channel, Dr. Siren. It will be on my other channel, which is Siren Space. Is it this one? Where is it? Siren Space, not here. I think it's one word, Silent Space, like that. What the heck? Where does X come from? Silent Space, that one here. So this channel. So I will be only streaming Star Citizen on that channel. So this channel is like, as I said, like space, you know, sim racing. Recently I start, you know, sim racing, like this one. This is what I built. This is Star Citizen hotels, my hotels setup. When I do this is pedals, when I remove the wheels, you know, I just replace on the pedals for sure. So yeah, this dual setup basically is like for space, sim racing, sim racing, and other game like this I was playing Space Engineers. So on the Dr. Silent, it has like FPS, gaming. This is the one I'm here, so it's like Call of Duty, Escape from Tarkov, Battlefield. Call of Duty, I stopped playing Call of Duty. I don't even want to talk about Call of Duty. It just make me feel so uncomfortable, and I hate it. I don't like to see. So I used to play, as you can see, spent a lot of time playing Call of Duty. Escape from Tarkov Arena, I play a lot. So we're going to play Arena as well as Escape from Tarkov itself. Right. What other games? Any other games like FPS? I know this is ARPG, the one we just played, which is the Path of Exile. So we can try also this as well on the Dr. Silent channel. Diablo, I want to try Diablo. I want to play a lot of games. But those are the games, and even I have them on my... you can see them here. These are the Battlefield, and then Delta Force, I play that. Diablo 5 I want to try. Elite Dangerous will be on the other channel. Gray Zone, I start playing that and stop for some reason. iRacing, which is the sim racing, will be on the Silent Space. No Man's Sky, Silent Space. Once Human, and all these kind of other games which are not really big deal. This I'll play them on Dr. Silent. Any FPS shooter stuff, interaction games, this will be on Dr. Silent. Other games that include some kind of mechanical device somehow, like space, I use joysticks. Sim racing, I use the wheels and so on. Maybe any related space games that will be on Silent Space. That's what I decided to do, is to split them because they're kind of different genres. Yeah. All right, I'll stop here. I didn't want to stop the play, but I think my brain is telling me stop because I closed the games 2 times. It was nice talking to you. Next time, let's talk about, maybe you can, if you want, just let me know in the comment below if you're interested to learn more about this Ultracold Atoms stuff I mentioned earlier. And we can navigate our way to how we can build quantum processor together. Just let me know in the comments so I prepare something we can talk about from my previous research or something. And we should continue talking about the aliens or intelligent life presence on our universe and beyond. That will be a title for one of my streams in the future. I will stop here. Have fun, enjoy the rest of your day, and have a good night if you're here in USA. And I will see you on my next stream. So take care and goodbye.